Hey y'all, today we're looking at the Sofirn ST1 little compact LED flashlight. 1500 lumen max, 226 meter beam, 450 hour runtime, and lightweight at 102 grams. Sofirn sent me this for the purpose of this review. I'm going to check it out and let you know what we think. Let's get it out of the box. First things first, there's the unit. Nice, aluminum, anodized. I noticed on the thing when I looked before, when you get her out, press twice to unlock it. I think I've already unlocked it. So we're going to go back, and there you go. So yeah, first things first, it feels really nice. It's meaty, feels, like it's substantial. Also, when you first get it out, there's a yellow film over here. I've already taken it apart, and just make sure you take that off before you use it. Pardon the hands, I was working last night, and they're pretty grimy looking. Let's see what's in the box along with it. User manual, the handy wrist lanyard, and it should come with a cord, but I've taken the USB cord out somewhere and laid it down. But you get a little short USB-C on both ends charger. It is rechargeable. There's your recharge unit right here. USB-C. And yeah, it's I like it. I like the feel of it. It's really nice. Here's another one. It's flat. You set it down, it won't roll off your workspace or your table. I'd probably use this at work. Keep it in the pocket. Shirt pocket. It's not too big for a shirt pocket carry. A little clip wouldn't be bad though if I had my druthers. And yeah, but like I said, you set it down, you want to aim it somewhere, it's not going to roll. It's got a little, I think that's an octagonal shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, oblong octagonal. So yeah, feeling nice. Let's take a look at the beam right quick. Got a little backdrop up here. We'll take a peek. It's got a couple of settings. First, we turn it on, and we'll press and hold. Gets brighter. Press and hold again. Goes lower. Press and hold one more time. There's your mid-range right there. And then there is one setting for moonlight. If you're off and you press and hold, I don't know if you can see it. Let's pull it up there. It's a really dim little, almost like a little map reading light. If you're in the car and you just want to stop over and take a look at something and not blow out your night vision, it's a little moonlight setting. So that's pretty sweet. I like that. And then, like I said, back to the normal. Press and hold, bright. Press and hold, dim. And that's I think that's a little brighter than the moonlight setting, but not much.
It's moonlight, and I think there's the power setting, the big one. So yeah, it lights up pretty good for a small compact size. Those trees there, probably 50 yards away, so got a little outbuilding. Lights up pretty good.
I'll tell you some use case settings I can see for this thing. Like I said, I'll carry it at work, put it in my tool bag or in my pocket and carry it around. Put the lanyard on it maybe. There it goes. There it goes. Sweep it through. Roll that in. If you're a lanyard carry person, you tie that on your, if you do it Ranger style, tie it on your kit, and that way if it falls out of your pocket or your bag, there you got it. But look here. You got a individual first aid kit you want to test out. I'm going to have a light with you. This would be a perfect light for it. Fits in there. Then you got a little first aid unit for your light for your first aid unit. Tie this off so you don't ever lose it. There you go. So there you go. That's the Sofirn ST1 flat compact flashlight. I'll leave a link in the description. Like I said, they sent me this for the purpose of the review. They didn't tell me what to say. I mean, I'm liking it so far. We'll have to give the battery test to see how long you can hold it on and stuff like that. But really nice at this point, and the price point's not bad either. Like I say, I'll leave a link to the description. You can get it on Amazon or go to their website. And I think on Amazon right now, there's a coupon at the moment. So you might check that out if you're interested. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Have a great one.